Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about 4 more community signs. We are going to be talking about the International Symbol of Access, or the wheelchair symbol, the recycling sign, wet floor sign, and a bus stop sign. So, this is the International Symbol of Access, and what it means, it's where access has been improved, and usually for wheelchair users, but also for other people with disabilities. You'll often find it around like bathrooms to notify people that there is a larger stall that wheelchairs can fit through, or people with other disabilities, or parking spaces, so that these parking spaces are close to a ramp, they're closer to the building. Or they have these spaces over here that are used for someone getting out of their car in a wheelchair. The next one is the recycling sign. This is what it looks like. You will often find it on bins, maybe near trash cans. Recycling is for, paper, cans, glass, cardboard. And so when it has this symbol on it, you know that you can recycle it. For example, this one says plastic bottles only, so you'll only put plastic bottles in that one. Okay, wet floor sign. So you'll find this, anywhere where there's a wet floor. It can be in schools, it can be in stores. And it's to just caution you to be careful. There was a spill, or we just mopped, the floor is wet, you need to be careful. And it kind of shows a picture of a guy like potentially slipping. And then the final sign is the bus stop sign. Here is an example of where you might find it. So this is an example of the bus stop in Portland. You can see that it has bus numbers right here, and here's the little symbol to let people know that this is a bus stop. Okay, so we're going to be doing our activity using signs. I also mixed in some signs from previous lessons. Okay, pause the video, point to the sign that you might find here. Is it the wet floor sign, the bus stop sign, or a stop sign? All right, if you chose the bus stop sign, you would be correct. All right, now pause the video. Let me know what sign you might find here. Is it the recycling sign, the stop sign, or the International Symbol of Access, or the wheelchair symbol? If you chose stop sign, you would be correct. All right, pause the video and point to or say the sign that you might find here on these bins. Okay, if you chose recycling, you would be correct. These could potentially be recycling bins. There's no hospital around these bins. These bins aren't, wheelchair accessible, so that doesn't make sense either. Okay, this one might be tricky. What sign might you find here? All right. If you chose the International Symbol of Access, you would be correct. So remember, we talked about how you can sometimes find these signs on parking spaces that are, closer to the building, maybe closer to a ramp, easier access to the building. Okay, last one. Go ahead and pause the video and let me know what sign you might find here. If you chose the wet floor sign, you would be correct. So it could be hard to tell from the video or the picture, but this is supposed to be a wet floor. And then you would often put a wet floor sign there to let people know that they need to be cautious when walking through. Okay, that is all.